Hey guys, what's up? Future 419 here, and today I have a spoiler alert right here, right in front of y'all's faces. So, my neighbor found J-Case, no super treasure hunt, no nothing like that, but he got the Ferrari. And I was like, bet outrage, he got another Ferrari, but hey, hence that's for a different video. So this is just a spoiler alert, so we are going to put that away for right now. So I went to the Toy Fest. A lot of these cars are from the Toy Fest. Like up to like here is from the Toy Fest. And I know there's one car right there because I know a few of these cars that I've been owning. So we'll just take out the cars that I have been owning. All of these cars that I'm pulling out, y'all have seen in videos. So don't feel like y'all are missing out because y'all have seen these all on video before. The only one that you haven't seen on video is this one that I traded. This one's from the 2024 J case. Because, say you buy a 2025 L case, there'll probably be some 2024s. So yeah, this is a cool Jaguar, but that's also gonna be for a different video. So, I gotta save content. Probably should have taken that out already, but hey, it's okay. I'm sure you guys won't mind. So first up, we got the Zamac McLaren Lotus GT. Hence, I got two of them. This was $3. I was like, when this first came out, we were like, we need this. So, yeah, we had to get this. It's just such a cool car. And then we got a Tooligan treasure hunt for $5. And I was like, it's treasure hunt. Might as well. From 2024 C case. Hey, treasure hunt is a treasure hunt. You could tell that he knew it was a treasure hunt. I was just keeping it cool. I got a 1998 first edition's McLaren. I actually got this for free because he was just like, he had it for $2. He was like, this is not selling. I can definitely tell you that. And it was like, you can just have it for free. This one, you can tell, has some sun damage right there. A little bit of it. So, was resting out in the sun at one point. A lot of Zamacs. We got Mercedes-Benz Unilog 1300L, and it's pretty cool. It's from the 2024 M case. And we all know where he bought it. He obviously bought it from Walmart, because if y'all don't know, Zamacs are Walmart exclusives. Got the 2009 Ford F-150 Goodyear. This one is pretty cool. It's from D-Case. I got this for $3. Oh, and the Unimog, $3. It was just, I also got this one for $3. It was just insanely good prices. Zamac 2024 McLaren Lotus GT. We've seen it. Got this one for $3, new for 2022. Amarillo from Lightyear. I'm assuming Buzz Lightyear. From 2022 K case. Look at this, the Final Run series. Do they have a pretty good car in here? No, but this one has rubber wheels from 1999. $3 on this one. I was like, I just cannot pass on that one. This one I own already. Got a 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Couldn't pass up on this one. I think this is from the 2023 or 4B case, I think. I got Ryu's Rides 94 Bugatti EB1110SS. And this is from J Case. Don't exactly know what year, but clearly not 2023 or 2024. Because we know that. And so, yeah, might be not 2022. Yeah, this is 2022. Or, yeah, this is only 2022. Because only 2022 had guaranteed for life. Because this one says new for 2022, guaranteed for life. And then 2023 Toyota Supra Supercharger Hunt says guaranteed for life in a circle. Same with 2024. But 2025 changed it. They have a purple Supercharger Hunt for this year, actually. Can't wait to get my hands on that Supercharger Hunt. Mystery Models. Got this for $1. And the EV110, got it for $3. Same with the Mustang. This is the 30th anniversary. It will shock you about how much I got this for. $5. This can get up to $64 if it's still in its box, because it comes with the box. This is its card, but it has a box. Yeah, that really puts the value in it. Yeah, this is just a very nice car. 1984. Mystery car. Sure, you know, $1 again. Next up, we got the 2003 classic Bugatti Veyron. This is a 2003 first edition Bugatti Veyron. And wow, this is so crazy. Now, I saw this for $2. We were going back to get another. Then we came across the $1 ones. So, so many people have told me to open this up, open one of these up. If I hit 50 likes on this video, I will open up this mystery car. If I hit 50 likes, I will do it. And I got the Dodge Challenger drift car from 2022. Because in 2021, they had the old cards. They had the older cards. 2021 had this card. That's how I know it's 2022. That I own already, Supra. We got an Air BMW 550i. Ranges for about $10, 1990 to 1991. This was made. And the car is backwards. Look, our next car is a 2021 Lamborghini Huracan. The car was made in 2021. Look, they're both Hot Wheels. They go different way. This way, Matchbox points. This way, Hot Wheels points. Don't know if you've ever noticed that. Lamborghini Huracan, $3. $2 for the Air. Oh. And this one, I traded. This Ford is just so cool. I'm sick. So, let me fix. What is under this divider? Because I know I brung this to the Toy Fest. Wow, I had all these under that divider. Wow. I had a lot of cars under this divider. Well, I'm shocked because they have like treasure hunt there, treasure hunt there, Magic 8 Ball, Ford GT, Toyota Tacoma, BMW, 55th anniversary, 55th anniversaries, 55th anniversary. This is that Chevrolet that goes with the Ford Raptor. And I just think that this is such a cool haul that I got. So, Feed Ford Engineer, out.